Hi Umar, hi Aisha Aga.
Hi, ma'am.
English, you know. We'll just wait for another 5 minutes. If in case nobody joins, we'll start. Aisha, how was your weekend? What you did?
I went to the
You went to the
mall.
wow. What did you buy?
I buy art supplies and necklaces and jewelry.
Oh, you like malls? I mean, you like to visit malls?
Yes.
No.
Ma'am, we didn't do this.
What happened?
We did last class division. You don't remember?
I didn't hear you.
Ma'am Umar is saying that we did not do division in decimal. We did last class.
We did know last week, Umar.
Yes.
What is wrong with you, Umar? Come on, start doing these sums.
Ma'am, in the first one that is 1.5.
It's 1.55 multiplied by 1.5. Hi, Zaveria. Good morning. Zaveria, I'm so sorry. I totally forgot that day you called me and you asked me something. I'm so sorry.
It's a
After we finish this, just tell me your doubt. We will do it here, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what are our
Ma'am,
exam
can you
scores
make the
for math
points more darker? I cannot see the points.
and science, ma'am?
Okay. Yes.
What are our exam scores for maths and science?
You will get to know by the end of this week.
Ma'am, you said you will tell on the Tuesday.
Yes, I will tell you all this week only. Don't worry. Last week I told you that next week I'll tell you. That means this week. So maybe on Friday I will discuss with you all the marks. Now is the point visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Ma'am, how to do that 3.1 if there is in both in the divisor also if there's if there's a point, then how to do?
But this is multiplication, no, Zuledia?
Oh, multiplication. Okay.
Umar Hamdan, turn your screen on.
Ma'am, I got the answer of the first one. It is
Ma'am, I also got.
Six-
It is
ma'am.
6825.00.
Ma'am, it
Get
is
the answer for
2.325. Ma'am, the answer for the first one is 2.325.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Okay, everybody got the same answer? Correct?
How 2.325?
First, ignore the point and just multiply. Five fives are 25.
Ma'am, and the answer for the second one is 2.3.
Understood, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am, I got the same answer. And you'll put the point up, like you'll put it in 2. It will be 2 point there. 2.325.
1 minute, Shona.
Ma'am, the answer for the second one is 2.3.
I also got the same 2.3.
To check, what you do is 23 multiplied by 3. Correct? Yeah. Just give me 2 minutes.
Ma'am, 2.04 is the answer.
Yes, please do the sums. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the answer for the third one is 2.4.
It's 2.04.
Good. Yes, tell me.
And the
Ma'am,
answer for the answer for the
2.04.
third one is 2.4.
It is 2.04.
Sir, it is 2.4.
1 minute.
Ma'am, it is 2.4.
For the third one? Yes.
Yes,
2.04.
it is the same thing. 2.04.
0 has no value before the number.
No problem. It is correct.
Ma'am, what is the answer
For?
for third one? It is 2.
Yeah, it's 2.4. Correct. Or 2.04 is also correct. See, I show you. 12, right? 12 2 is 24. Now, because I have a decimal point here, I'll put here. I'm bringing 4 here. But 4 is a smaller number than 12, so it won't be divisible. So you can directly bring 8 down because we already have a decimal point here. But since if you want to put a 0 here, it's okay.
No, I did not put 0. I directly wrote 8.
It's okay. Okay?
4.
Ma'am, the second one, the answer is 19.9609.
Second,
No, fourth one.
now 643 and 9. Ignore the point and just multiply.
4, 6, then 0.
Ma'am, the answer of the
27.
question 4 is 1986.09.
Okay, we are just doing it. Okay.
So,
1996.09.
Ma'am, the answer is for the fourth one 1896.09. Ma'am, 8 will not count.
1996.09.
19. Ma'am, the answer is 1896.09.
stays 9.
No, check your answer, Aisha, again. Maybe
It's
some
1996104. I got the same.
yes.
It's 199
I got the
6.09. I forgot to add 1 to it.
Okay. And finally, the last one.
And in the last question, we can shift the decimal also and put zeros up.
Yes.
Can I do that method?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, the last one answer is 0.61.
Correct.
My answer is 0.61.
Yes, correct.
Ma'am, I finished my work.
Yes. Just give 2 minutes. Everybody finished?
Yes, ma'am. The answer is 0.61.
Okay. Now, Now, all the concept of decimals with division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, all clear? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I just did not understand the last fifth one, like the zero part.
Okay. Can you just tell me the question once again? Okay, it was 12.
The 1.22 divided by 2.
It was not 1.22. Okay,
No,
okay.
it was 1.22. The last one I'm saying.
Yes.
Divided by 2.
Now, 2 is simple. See, 1 is less than 2.
Yes.
2 zeros are 0. 1 minus 0 gives me 1. Correct?
Yes, but ma'am, why did you write 0 there? That one not
Because
understand.
if I write 2 ones are 2, can I subtract 1 by 2? I
No.
cannot. So I have to
No.
still take a lesser number, right?
Yes.
Number that is less than 1.
So that will be 0.
And just take 2, 6 are 12.
So that number will be 0.
And we can just do
Now I have a decimal point here. So I will put a decimal point here and I'll bring this 2 down. And 2 6 becomes 12. Then this number comes down. 2 1 is 2. Simple.
put the decimal by 3
Yes, ma'am.
spaces.
I understand.
So
Yes.
3 zeros will be up and the decimal point will be after 1 0.
Yes.
And then we can calculate.
Aisha, any doubt? Understood?
Yes,
We
ma'am,
can
I understood.
directly write 6.
Yes, you can. But then just to avoid confusion, because we have just recently learned, I don't want others to get confused. So I thought this would be better. Yes? Now, moving to word problems.
Yes.
Ma'am, what are we doing now?
Word problem. Ria's mother bought 3 kg apples. How many apples?
3 kg.
If 1 kg apple cost 52 rupees and 50 paise. Find the cost of 3 kg. Understood? Ria's mother bought how many kg apples?
3 kg.
3 kg. Now
Ma'am,
we are given the cost of 1 kg apple. 1 minute, Aisha. What is the cost of 1 kg apple?
52 rupees.
52 rupees and 50 paise. And I have to find the cost of 3 kg. First thing,
Ma'am,
tell
can
me
we
what will
go
I
by
do?
sentence by sentence?
Yes, we are going sentence by sentence. I told you that Ria's mother already bought 3 kg apple. I know that. But I'm telling you, the cost of 1 kg apple is so much. That is 52 rupees, 50 paise. Now I have to find the cost of 3 kg apple. That means how much Ria's mother has paid the fruit seller. Now first tell me what will I do here? Cost of 1 kg is given to me. I have to find the cost of 3 kg. So what am I going to do here? Am I going to add?
52.50 into 3.
Okay. Aisha Aga, tell me what will I do here? What is Aisha writing?
You will multiply.
Okay. Juveria, what will you do?
Multiply.
Sure.
Multiply.
Ma'am, move
Sure.
ahead. I want to see what is written.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you move 1 minute?
Yes.
Look.
Ma'am, can you move 1 minute?
Yes, mother bought 3 kg apple
Yes.
and she paid 52 rupees and 50 paisa for 1 kg. Now I have to find the cost of 3 kg. What will I do here? Will I do addition? Will I do multiplication? Will I do division? What will I do here?
62
Ma'am, I'm asking, can you move 1 minute?
Can I move? Okay, huh? What were you writing so far, Aisha? You were copying this sum?
No, I was writing the information we have.
Hamdan, you tell me what will we do here? Hamdan. Okay. Aisha, tell me, Hamdan, tell me what we will do here. What is Hamdan playing hide and seek with me? Putting the camera off, then putting it on, then off, then on.
And you will do division.
I went to the washroom. I just came.
Okay, okay, okay. How will you do division? Listen to me carefully. The cost of 1 kg apple is given to you. You have to find the cost of more 3 kg.
How many kgs, ma'am?
Cost of 1 kg
Oh,
apple.
then multiplication. If you have to find more,
Yes,
then
you have to find the cost of more. So you will multiply. Now look at me.
And if we had to find the cost of less, then it would be division.
This is
No?
right. 52 rupees 50 paisa into 3. Correct, no? Everybody correct? Okay. Let me correct you. Now what is your 52 rupees? And this is 53 rupees. Now this is 50 paisa. This is not 50.
So, ma'am, 0.50.
Yes. 52 rupees and 50 paisa is less than 53 rupees. So this is 52 rupees and 50 paisa. Understood?
No,
Everybody
I don't
understood,
understand.
Aisha Aga?
No, I don't understand.
Yes, that is what.
If you give us like that sum and we have to put the decimal into it.
Yes. This is 52 rupees. This much you understood, Aisha? Now, how will you, where will you add that 50 paisa? That is not rupees. If I give you 1 rupee and 50 paisa, 1 rupee and 50 paisa is less than 2 rupees.
You will do 0.50.
Yes. That is what I'm explaining you. If I give you 1 rupee and 50 paise, it is less than 2 rupees. It is not
Yes.
completely 2 rupees. So how will I
Yes,
represent
because
that 50
52 is
paisa?
more. You will
How
do
will I?
0.50.
So 52.50. Correct? And now
Yes.
I have to multiply this by 3.
3.
Come on, I can. Y'all can do the multiplication now.
And don't do it on the board.
Come on.
Ma'am, I got the answer. It is
Okay.
157.50.
Yes.
Ma'am, I understood, but means I'm little confused. I understood how to do it, but maybe sometimes I forget it. Like I understood everything, but if you give another sum, then I don't know if I'll be able to do that point one.
No, no. First thing, whenever you see a sums with all this rupees, paisa, and that meters, and don't panic. Read it 2 times, 3 times carefully. How simple was this? Was this tough? Very simple, right?
And the answer is 157.50.
When you don't understand something, try to read it carefully the second time, third time, fourth time. Try to understand what is written here. That time you will come to know what you have to do. Now, like cost of
Ma'am,
1
I
rupee.
know how to do what problem. I just get confused in if we have to do multiplication or division.
Very
I
simple
find out,
trick.
ma'am, I find out if we have to find more, then we have to do multiplication. If we have to find
Multiplication. If you
less,
have to
then
find
less
if
than,
the value of lot of things are given, and
then we have to
if you
find.
want to find the value of one thing, you have to divide. If the value of one thing is given and you have to find the value of lot of things, you have to multiply.
Ma'am, I did everything with sentences.
Very good, Amdan.
And if we have to
So
find
finally,
more of
answer
a
will be
thing,
the cost of 3 kg mangoes,
Ma'am,
or sorry, apples.
ma'am, can I say
Yes.
the sentences? How many kgs bought 3 kgs? Cost of 1 kg apples 52.50. Cost of 3 kg apples equals to
Question
I
mark.
did a dash and then 52.50 into 3 I did. I got 157.50. So I put in that dash 157.50 and down I wrote cost of 3 kg apple is 157.50 rupees.
Ma'am,
Super.
I wrote
Fabulous.
Riya's mother bought apples is equal to 3 kg. 1 kg apple cost is equal to 52.50 rupees. Total number of
The
cost of
main motive
3
is
kg
now in your
apples.
word problem from now what we will practice. You will get something like this. Now this is in terms of money.
Can you give one more sum?
One more you all want today.
Yes, ma'am. I understood this one,
ma'am,
but
it is already
then I
time
get
up.
confused in the other
Yes.
one.
I just wanted to
Okay, I'll give it in the next class. In the
no,
next
I just wanted you all to introduce to word problems. Now henceforth when we will practice more sums is Zaveria. And today I'll call you in the evening, okay, Zaveria? But just tell me your doubt. I'm so sorry. I was so busy I forgot. So now henceforth, this is in terms of money that you get rupees and paisa. Now future, if it is something in liquid, you may get liter, milliliter. If something to weight, you will get kg and grams. So you don't get confused with all these words. You have to read it carefully and make sure where will you put the point. So we will do all that in the next class. Okay?
Ma'am, the answer of that what will be total cost of 3 kg apples equal to 157.50.
Okay, so now we will start with word problems, and probably by next week we will finish decimals also. If you all do well with your word problems. Okay. Okay then. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.